cooking, and food story. A sandwich, from sandwich. Sandwich is actually a small town in southeast England, located in Kent County. It is about 120 kilometers from London. Many years ago, it was an important port in England. Sandwich actually means a sandy place. But, of course, it is famously known as the birthplace of our tasty sandwich. One has to agree, a sandwich from sandwich must truly be a unique sandwich. Actually, people have been making sandwiches for many centuries. In history, we can find many different types of sandwiches from all over the world. But the original sandwich is claimed by the Earl of Sandwich, Sir John Montagu. The Earl, a rich landowner, loved to play cards. He played cards all the time. He did not have time to eat a fancy meal, and he did not want to get his hands dirty. In 1762, he asked his chef to make 2 pieces of bread with some beef inside. He loved it, and his guests also loved it. The sandwich was born. Although sandwiches were eaten by many people, they were not really popular until 1928. An automatic bread slicing machine was invented. It became very easy to produce packaged sliced bread. Very quickly, factories were producing millions of loaves of bread. This allowed American families to conveniently and cheaply make sandwiches for lunch. Everybody was eating sandwiches. Americans started to make many different types of sandwiches. Probably, the most famous sandwich was the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Many other well-known sandwiches were created: the submarine, the BLT, the clubhouse, the Reuben. Interestingly, 2 of the greatest American foods originated from the sandwich. Using 2 pieces of bread and meat inside, the hot dog and the hamburger are truly America's most famous delicacies. Presently, when we go to the bakery, we can see an extremely large variety of tasty sandwiches, rolls, wraps, and buns. With such a big selection, now, the problem is deciding which one to choose. It is going to be so easy to eat and play cards with my friends tonight.